Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add kids account on Netflix. So here, I'm going to do it on my mobile phone. And let's just open the Netflix account first. Sorry, Netflix app. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've already have three profiles on my Netflix, and to add a kids account, you can just tap on this add profile options, and then here just write the profile name. For example, I'm going to just write for the kids, and then here to make it a kids account or kids profile, you can just click on this little circle so that it becomes kid profile. So it will meet for kids 12 and under, but parents have all the control, so you can control this profile. You can enable it and then tap on save, and just like that the kids account or profile will be has been created. And if you want to edit it, you can just click on this pencil icon and then click on this profile. Here you can adjust the maturity rating, you can adjust the profile lock, display language, audio, and subtitle appearance. So let's, for example, I'm going to set the maturity rating in here. You can go to, click on it and tap on the account settings, and you'll be head to your netflix.com. And here you need to do it on your browser. Here you need to add your account password and then click on continue. And as you guys can see, this is the age maturity. For example, my kids is only 8, so I'm going to set it on 7 plus. And in here you can also scroll down and find this a title restriction for your kids. So for example, you don't want to show a specific title for the kids profile, you can click on the names of the show in here. For example, I'm going to go with Cocomelon, for example, and then you can tap on save. So after that, your kids won't be able to watch any Cocomelon show on their profile. Here you can also set profile lock so that your kids will only be accessible to you, because you can only know the 4-digit pin. Here you can just tap on create profile lock and then set it. You can enter your password first, click on enter, and now you can add a 4-digit pin to create your profile lock, and just tap on save after that. So that's all for me. That's how you can add kids account or profile on Netflix. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.